Congratulations are in high order for dancehall reggae recording artist Buju Banton after he was crowned Festival Song winner for 2020. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity School. Congratulations, the dancehall recording artist Buju Banton, after he was voted the 2020 Festival Song Competition winner for this year. This was held last night at the studios of Television Jamaica. We saw a number of individuals turning out in their numbers online and also at home just in order to experience this spectacular and historic moment in the making. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, an agency of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, held the Jamaica Festival Song Competition 2020. We saw 10 finalists vying out for the coveted title. This was an historic moment in the making. We saw 10 finalists vying out for this title, in which individuals were given different mobile numbers in order for their fans to vote for them. The 10 finalists include Buju Banton with his song I Am A Jamaican, Freddie McGregor, Turn Up the Sound, and also Toots and the Maytals, Rise Up Jamaicans. You also have another individual known as Papa Michigan with Jamaican Dance, Extra Bigs, Jamaican Paradise. Also included in the top 10 is Sakina, We Are Jamaica, Red XOD, The Place to Be, Loss, Wave Your Flag, and an individual who goes by the name Sugar, One Place. We also had Nazzleman, who was a part of the whole entire 10 of the finalists with his song Jamaica Nice. So those are just a list of the top 10 finalists that were vying out for this coveted title, and this saw a number of individuals turning out online just in order to watch this historic moment in the making. And this was just such an electrifying moment for many, as fans right across the world were glued to their TV screens and also their mobile devices just in order to capture this historic moment in the making that was streamed live on social media and also Television Jamaica. When the announcement was about to be made, it was a tense one, and it was one in which that has gone down in history, as Buju Banton was crowned Festival Song Competition winner for 2020. In this competition, it saw the likes of Freddie McGregor, Toots and the Maytals, Buju Banton, Loss, who are all recording artists vying out for this coveted cycle of Festival Song winner for 2020. Now we're going to share some highlights of what led up to this historic event in the making, and one that has gone down in history. The minister with responsibility for entertainment took this as an initiative in order to make this competition a globalized one, in the fact that she teamed with VP Records in order to make these songs available on the popular music streaming platform Apple Music, formerly known as iTunes. The 2020 Festival Song album entered the chart at number 15 and then climbed 2 places to number 13. This means that the Jamaican Festival Song 2020 competition is among the most popular reggae album download on Apple Music, formerly known as iTunes. In addition to Apple Music platform, the 2020 Festival Song album is also available for download on other streaming platforms such as Spotify, Deezer, Amazon, and also Tidal Music. For the very first time in the history of the staging of this prestigious event. So this was what really transpired last night, as this had to be hosted as a virtual event due to the spread of the COVID virus, which has seen many events being streamed as virtual events just in order to protect the lives of individuals right across the world. Now, Buju Banton has been crowned reggae and also the iconic figure himself. Buju Banton is the reggae star of Jamaica, and he's among many other that were vying for this coveted title of the Festival Song Competition winner for 2020. Now, he was crowned based on a public voting system that was put in place in order to select the winner. And he walked away with the cash prize of $3 million. And we have some highlights of that to share with you right now on the program. So right now, we're going to bring you over to a screen where the announcement was made for the top three and also the winner of the competition. So let's go over to that right now on Links 7 TV Celebrity School.
Please.
In third place, drum roll.
Drum roll. Woo! Come on, Jenny.
Oh Lord.
Third, is it third place?
Third place.
Oh my God, third place.
It's a female.
Woo!
It's one of the girls.
And it's somebody that I know very well.
Make noise for
Sakina! Sake! Sake! Sake!
Then go find her.
Sake!
Chef go back go put on the gold jacket.
Sake!
Chef go put on the gold boot.
Sakina!
And Chef go back go tie up.
Sakina!
Come forward, Sakina.
Step forward,
Third place.
Sakina!
Hold her, Chris, hold her.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Whoa. Keep the music going. Keep the music going, Desi. We're ready again.
Congratulations.
Congrats. In second place.
In second place. Jenny, you ready?
Bubble, baby, bubble.
What you say? Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this?
To the left, to the left.
In the festival.
Papa!
Papa Michigan! Papa Mitch! Woo!
Produced. Thank you, Oliver Mayer. Welcome home.
Pick up yourself, Oliver Mayer.
The winner
All right.
of the 2020 Jamaica Festival
Festival
Song.
Song Competition.
Hold me choose heel.
What you say?
No, me have. No, not touch it.
What you say?
Foot.
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 Yeah.
Put that bit.
What you say? Fire
Hello.
look for me.
Hello.
Fire look for me.
Mr. Donovan Germain.
Where you look for me?
Mr. Mark Mary.
Where you look for me?
Oh!
Who am I?
2020 Festival Song
Who am
winner
I? Who am
is
I?
I am a Jamaican.
Buju Banton! Come on, man. Buju! Buju! I am a Jamaican. I am a Jamaican.
Jamaica walk.
Jamaican talk. I am a Jamaican.
Jamaica throw man pan the donkey cat.
I am a Jamaican.
Congratulations.
I am a Jamaican. Congratulations, Buju Banton. I am a Jamaican. So,
Hey, we say
Jamaican.
thank you so much for joining
he's a
us.
Jamaican.
Congratulations to the production
Congratulations,
team.
Buju Banton. How you feeling, Buju?
Buju.
How you feeling?
Uh,
No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. I know ID I man need to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Break it on, break it on, break it on, break it on. Before I go into the song, I want to congratulate the true winners tonight. Every member, everyone who participated in this competition, you are all winners. I was happy to share the stage with you all. But for me, the true winners tonight are the Sunbeam Boys Home. Yes, congratulations to Sunbeam Boys Home. You've done it. Yes, yes.
Well, there you have it. Sakina walking away with the third place and Papa Michigan walking away with the second place, and the dancehall star himself, the Gargamel, Buju Banton, walking away with the first place of the 2020 song competition. The Gargamel himself, Buju Banton, also took the time just in order to thank his fans, his friends, and also the individuals who took the time out just in order to vote for him becoming the 2020 Festival Song Competition winner. He also took the time to thank the other contestants that shared the stage with him, and as this was a historic moment in the making and one that has gone down in history, as this was the very first time that this event was being staged as a virtual event. It also the very first time that these songs were put on a social media platform and also on a music streaming platform. So this is just one of those historic moments in the making and to the development of our music and also the festival music itself, as this has been a long-standing competition that has garnered so much fan base right across the world. And in this specific one that has gone down in history, this has reached the mass of the diaspora based on the fact that it was streamed on different social media platforms right across the world. So this is where we're going to leave you for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV highlight of reggae in the making and also reggae music being transformed into the festival music of our culture. This is where we're going to leave you for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what, we're out for now. Peace.